Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'm going to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning Ducati Panigale 959 Corse. Here we have a Ducati Panigale 959 Corse. This is a 2018 bike on a 68 plate with just 682 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is absolutely stunning. No matter where you're looking at it from, it is beautiful. The more eagle-eyed amongst you may have noticed that this bike comes with the Akrapovic lowboy exhaust system and the belly pan that goes with it. Obviously much better looking than the standard exhaust on the 959. For some unknown reason, Ducati decided that they'd put a side-mounted exhaust on it after the 899 and ruined the look of the whole thing. But you don't need to worry about that with this bike because it's got that lowboy and it looks absolutely beautiful. Rear tyre there, pretty much new. Absolutely loads of life left in there. Got the seat cowl fitted there. We also have the subframe for the foot pegs and the rear seat for this bike as well, though you're probably not likely to be taking a passenger on it. The Corse paintwork looks absolutely beautiful and is unmarked. There's absolutely nothing to apologise for on this motorcycle at all. If I just show you the left-hand side of the bike, again, absolutely stunning, really striking motorcycle this. This being the Corse, you've got the Ohlins Suspension front and indeed rear. You've got the Quickshifter there as well. This bike also comes with some aftermarket rear sets which look absolutely brilliant in the anodised black finish there. The front tyre, like the rear, pretty much brand new, and all the wheels unmarked. As I said, absolutely nothing to apologise for on this motorcycle at all. This bike a little bit more manageable than its 1299 or 1199 brother, stablemate if you will. Just a bit less power, all the toys, all the traction control, the race ABS, you know, everything you want on a superbike, just in a more manageable package, and it looks, oh well, it looks $1 million. Of course, as well as looking amazing, it's all about the sound on the Ducati, so let's fire this one up, give it a listen. Amazing. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful 959 Corse, then please do get in touch, either on the telephone or via the website. We'll be delighted to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.